This is the iPhone XR in 4 minutes. Subscribe for similar Apple coverage.
We want to reach as many customers as we can. So that's why we are very excited to show you one more iPhone, the iPhone XR. This is a huge day for iPhone. We now have iPhone XS, XS Max, and XR, 3 new models of iPhone, the iPhone XR. The liquid retina display is 6.1 inches on the diagonal. It is a bigger display than the iPhone 8 Plus in a smaller design. It's made from a 7000 series aerospace-grade aluminum. Well, iPhone XR will come in 6 finishes and in 3 sizes. 64 gigabytes, 128 gigabytes, and 256 gigabytes of storage. And it will start at $749. You can order it in just over a month, October 19th, and it'll start to ship a week later than that, October 26th. It is absolutely stunning. It comes incredible new finishes. White, black, blue, coral, yellow. The screen goes edge to edge and top to bottom. There's even an incredible product red one as well, and it is beautiful. And it is an iPhone X experience on an LCD display. Now, it doesn't have 3D touch, but here again, the team came up with something really smart. It has a new feature we call haptic touch. So to get to the camera from the home screen, you just press on it, you feel a haptic tap, and you're taken right to the camera. This is similar technology to what we do with the trackpad in the MacBook Pro that we all love so much. It has Face ID. And inside the iPhone XR is nothing but the best chip we make, our brand new 7nm A12 Bionic chip. And it has a great new camera system as well. It's a single camera system, our best single camera system that we've ever made. And it takes beautiful photos. Yes, it gets the same advanced bokeh technology we talked about with iPhone XS and XS Max. So you get full support for portrait mode and portrait lighting. Well, here the story continues to be just great. It gives you up to an hour-and-a-half more in your day than the iPhone 8 Plus. There's a 6.1-inch liquid retina display, an LCD display, the most advanced ever in the industry. It is our latest 7nm A12 Bionic chip with its faster CPU and GPU and that breakthrough neural engine, and helping deliver even longer battery life. It's the best single camera system we've ever made with our new generation 12-megapixel sensor with support for smart HDR, portrait modes with beautiful bokeh, dynamic depth control, incredible video. It has the same true depth camera system as iPhone XS and XS Max with faster Face ID, and on and on. These 6 beautiful new finishes, that incredible 7000 series aerospace grade aluminum, and IP67 protection from liquids and dust.
I'd like to thank everyone for joining us this morning, including those watching us online. And I'd especially like to thank all the people at Apple who made this magical day possible. Thank you.